Breaking Barriers are a charity that was set up a couple of years ago to work collaboratively with businesses to develop sustainable solutions to the issue of refugee integration. In the UK there's over 120,000 refugees with the legal right to work, even more if you include asylum seekers. But they have unemployment levels of around 64%, despite being well educated, having above average levels of employment and education experience, but they're not finding work. And it makes sense to the society, to the economy, to get people that are long-term unemployed with skills to offer into the workplace. They can bring a wealth of experience, they can bring language skills, diversity, loyalty. They bring a lot of skills that actually make a business case for businesses to get involved.
We started looking in the UK about what we could do to really make the most positive impact on refugees living in the communities around our stores. And we quickly realized that meaningful employment was the fastest way to help refugees integrate into society and really live a more full and beneficial life in the country that they're now calling home. IKEA as a business partnered with Breaking Barriers customer service course, which we've helped them create. There's been really star candidates who have stood out, have really exhibited the values that IKEA are looking for, and they've gone on to have interviews and then been made offers of employment to join us.
Breaking Barriers and IKEA partnership is really important. There are so many people like myself coming from different countries, not because they want to leave their countries, not because they want to leave their family and friends behind, but they absolutely have to. I have been trained to my master's level, so the fact that they are refugees doesn't necessarily mean that they don't have something to offer. They want to be impactful, they want to put their very best because they've had little given to them, and when they have a little opportunity, they make the best out of it.
Right now we're operating the program in Tottenham, Wembley and Croydon, and now in 2018 we really hope to expand outside of London, and in 2019 our ambition is to run this program nationally.
Why not join our community of like-minded businesses passionate about supporting refugees? Believe in better.